spot on. And it's always you need to start with the net present value, and then how do you maximize it using the different levers. One of the approaches that has always worked for me very well over the last 8 to 9 years, and that's also what I always tell people, is the first thing as a CS leader you can do is align very closely with your CFO and your CEO. Try and understand what are the company milestones you want to hit over the next 6 months, 12 months, 2 months, and then to really start incorporating that and seeing how can CS deliver on those numbers. So for example, if your CEO tells you, hey, in the next 12 to 18 months, we want to raise Series A. Okay, what does that mean? What financial metrics and numbers are investors going to look at? Okay, they're going to look at retention numbers. Okay, how can CS drive those numbers? Okay, if I need to contribute, take a retention number from 85 to 95, I need to run these campaigns. For this, I need these resources, right? So pretty much like Deirdre mentioned, start from where you are and then build backwards towards this is how we can bring value and hopefully help you raise a Series A or a B. Because again, with each of these, let's say funding or investment milestones, investors are always looking at one or another metric here and there, right? So if it is Series A, retention for sure is one of the important numbers. But what they're also looking at is, can you scale quickly enough? Can you onboard a volume of customers quickly enough? Okay, that's the area we will focus on, and that's how we will bring and showcase the value of CS to the organization.